it's not a proprietary system where a single software set and hardware set works together to the exclusion of everything else.
Open to me in the context of access control is the ability for other providers to be able to interlock and write applications into your particular product portfolio through either SDKs and APIs, but it basically provides the capability for a open standards-based methodology to be able to get product A to talk to product B, so that at the end result is a solution designed with that, quote, open standards and easy methodology of interoperability. Okay, it's important that we maintain these open standards relative to the products and capabilities that they're going forward with, because the continuance of the need for solutions is really at the heart of the matter. Okay? It's not about making this video system talk to that access control system, etc. Okay? People can do that, you can write an API, but if the systems aren't open enough to be flexible to be able to add on additional parameters and additional capabilities that the industry is going to continue to provide, then the value proposition becomes lower. So open to me is an extremely important feature set in a particular product.
Well, it means to me that we can service the customer and give them a product that's going to be open to in architecture with hardware that works with a lot of different products. So it takes a lot of the risk out of them purchasing our product because they know that they've got multiple options in moving forward.
Well, I think it basically means the availability to have options in the picture. Okay, as far as you've got options in software, you've got options in computer technology, you've got everything else. You might as well have, a platform that would be open, that other people's software can work with. Granted, in the access control industry, I don't think we're ever going to see open in terms of a consumer open standard. So we have a slightly different definition, and it has to do with a platform that is in place, it preserves your investment, and then any other software can come in there, and therefore the end user has the reliability and the confidence of a hardware platform that's solid. They also have the options associated with preserving their investment and moving on to other softwares or software products if they so desire.
Open for us at RS2 is working with a platform such as the Mercury hardware or some of our other partners, ASSA ABLOY and Ingersoll Rand, where RS2 is not the only game in town. I've worked with many proprietary systems over the years where the manufacturer makes the hardware, the software, everything, and you really only have one place to go. You may be able to go to multiple integrators, but you're still set with the same manufacturer. For us, open is the ability for our eventual end user customers to not feel like they're locked into RS2 for the rest of time.
What that means for us is, number one, is that we will make less service calls with our integrators. Number two, that our customers will not have downtime. And number three, we'll get a lot more customer satisfaction out of it.
It's everything, because that's the reputation of your company, and word gets around very quickly in this industry. And if you don't have a reliable product, then you're just not going to survive.
Reliability is paramount. I mean, we pride ourselves in the stability and the power and the stability of our software, and the fact that it doesn't take a lot of support on the software side. But most importantly, with the Mercury field hardware, we have a failure rate that I've never seen. And I've been in the access control industry for quite some time. The failure rate on the Mercury hardware is almost non-existent, and that's critical to our operation.
In our business, the reliability is the ability to put a product in the field and not have to nurture it, okay? Any product at any given time is going to have some degree of support, some degree of responsibility to maintain, but in using authentic Mercury, quite frankly, we don't even measure the warranty costs. They're so insignificant to our business that we don't even keep track of it. And to me, that's reliability, because you put it in the field, you put it in right, and it runs and it runs and it runs.
We've been selling the authentic Mercury hardware since, I believe it was the As Is show in 1997, I want to say. So we've got 13, almost 14 years under our belt with the product.
Since 1997, I think that would be 15 years approximately.
Since July of 2007.
8 years.
Well, Next Level was founded in June of 2009, and we've been selling Mercury solutions, Mercury security solutions, since that period of time. I personally have been involved with Mercury security for 17 years and deployed the largest Mercury-based access control system in the world. And I am an extremely happy customer at being a customer, being actually the director of security for a global Fortune 100 organization. I was an extremely happy customer to have Mercury security on board. And the reason is that it works. It not only works, but it doesn't actually fail. And so that's incredible. It has an incredible value proposition when you're dealing in, I don't care whether it's a one-door system or whether it's an 8,000-door system. At the end of the day, my goal is to continually reduce risk. That was the primary mission. And to do that, I need to be able to have a service provider / manufacturer with a substantial piece of hardware that is robust, that performs, that doesn't fail, and even on top of that, a relationship with a manufacturer that adds value to me. One in which, and not to discount the systems integration marketplace, but bottom line is I know I can call Mercury Security if I have an issue, or if I have something that I'd like to accomplish and potentially get on their roadmap. This is something that's very important. Mercury's been an absolutely outstanding manufacturer for me and supports a system for my infrastructure. And to be associated with Next Level in bringing forward a brand new unified security platform, to not have Mercury as an OEM or as a manufacturer would be devastating for my product.